Hello friends, you're watching Tino's channel, and in this quick tutorial I will show you how you can fix Play Store not working problem or Play Store not downloading apps problem in Realme 8 or Realme 8 5G. So before just starting video, don't forget to subscribe and also press the bell icon for more latest videos. So to fix Play Store not working problem in Realme 8 or Realme 8 5G, simply first of all you just need to go to settings. So first just tap on settings and go to app setting and follow every single step as I'm showing you in this video.